A wellness shot for your liver. First ingredient, extra virgin olive oil. Studies show that olive oil decreases fat deposits in the liver, improves insulin resistance, and releases toxins. Second ingredient, cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper helps control blood pressure, reduces the risk of inflammation in the liver, prevents the death of liver cells, and controls your appetite. Third ingredient, turmeric. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties and improves liver function. Fourth ingredient, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been scientifically proven to cleanse the liver, stimulate circulation, and reduce liver inflammation. And finally, lime juice. Lime juice helps the liver process and eliminate toxins, and it has been proven to repair fatty liver disease damage. Okay, so you will need half an ounce of extra virgin olive oil, half a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, half a tablespoon of turmeric, 1 ounce of apple cider vinegar, and the juice of 1 lime. Mix the ingredients, drink it on an empty stomach every day, every other week. Please share the video, ring the bell, and don't forget to subscribe.